Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can see the WhatsApp notifications on your Motorola E6i. So at the start, always check that you have deactivated that and disturb mode. Sometimes it's just turning on or you're doing it by the misclick and you can miss it, so just check it in the top panel that you have this feature deactivated. Now it's turned it off. You can also try to reinstall your application, but it's obvious, so we can go to the next steps. Okay, we have to start from opening the settings, network and internet, and choose Wi-Fi. Now just slide down and tap on the Wi-Fi preferences. Now switch on the turn on Wi-Fi automatically if you have this feature deactivated. You can also go to the advanced and turn on the LAN plus. Okay, now go back and choose the Wi-Fi usage. Oh, sorry, that was in the first step. Okay, never mind. After that, expand the advanced and remember to turn off the data saver. But if you want to keep this feature activated, remember to add the WhatsApp to unrestricted data. You can do it by turning on the switchers next to it. Okay, now we can go to the notifications, apps and notifications. Then go to the CL apps and add to the WhatsApp. Now go to the permissions and make sure that you have activated the storage, SMS and the contacts. After that, go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi and always remember to have background data activated and unrestricted data usage. You can also go to the app settings. If you log into the WhatsApp, you shall see here the high priority notifications and you shall turn it on. After that, you can also try to restart your the network settings. So go to the system, expand the advanced and choose the reset options. Tap on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth and tap on this button again. Tap on this button again and after that, look for the notifications from the WhatsApp. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.